National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, northern Sarpy County, Douglas County, east central Saunders County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhorn, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Zorinsky Lake and Flanagan Lake around 9 p.m. Bennington, Boys Town, Millard, Standing Bear Lake, Chilco, Warespan Lake and Prairie Queen Recreation Area around 9:05 p.m. Walnut Creek Recreation Area around 9:10 p.m. Ralston, La Vista, Axarben and Benson around 9:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Midtown, Florence, Carter Lake, Etley Airfield, South Omaha, Council Bluffs and Crescent. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 47 and 61. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 437 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Douglas, Sarpy and Saunders, and Pottawatomie, Iowa. A severe thunderstorm